Hello everyone. So I bought these Apple AirPods. It says refurbished one on one to one, whatever you want to call it. Refurbished Apple. That's how it is listed. This one right here. Refurbished Apple. It gives you model number $19 plus $10 shipping. And it's from Wish app. That's where I bought it from. So let's see what we have here. I'm just making this video like always to show you what I get in the package that I buy from Wish. It has thank you note. It also has Apple logo. It does so Apple AirPods. Designed by Apple in California, made in China. So let's open this up. This also shows the same thing, designed by Apple in California. Has booklet, AirPods. I'm not sure if this is original. It says one to one. It also has print here. So it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Sorry, can't even focus. Right here. So I do not have the original one to show you the difference between this and the original one. I'm not even sure if this is original or not. So it really looks like the original one, but I really doubt it because I only paid like very cheap price for this. It also has print on the top. Okay, it actually also have serial number. Let me see if I can focus it. Yeah, it's like that little triangle. Below that there is a serial number, so it probably is original. I'm not sure, but I doubt it. Like I showed you the price, it wasn't like anything near original price. So let's see if it will be able to show me the prompt on my iPhone. Let's see. Let's press this button right here and hold it. I think that's what it's supposed to do. Actually, sorry, I think I was supposed to open the box first. Open it, and there you go. So it also is automatically showing the AirPods on my iPhone. So I'm not sure. As soon as I closed it, it went away. Again, let's open it, and it popped up. It really looks like an original one. I never owned any original AirPods, but I have seen videos of original ones and it looks the same. So it's a very nice one. If it's a copy or clone, they made it very nice. Right, it's very nice for that price. It's a great price for this, and it also came with USB wire. So I think it's a nice one. All right, this is all I wanted to show you. I bought this from Wish. Actually, this piece is nice. So if you also wanna, if you think you like this, it's cheap. I think it's worth it to buy this one. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. If I get hold of the original one, I'll bring it in and compare it. So till then, thank you very much. Bye bye.